Pretty fucking steep.
Konnichiwa kimono wearers, we're heading down some sphincter tightening runs in this vid. Get your change of undies ready. We're doing Challenge, Schneider and the Utopia runs, which are red and black runs. To get there, we're heading up the Nagasaka gondola, pumping it down Ueno Terra and then pumping it down Paradise, and that takes you to the beginning of Schneider. Jaffa and Hot Dog just thinking if they brought their change of undies.
Alright, I'll see you down there.
Yeah. Cheers.
Jaffa is heading down Schneider and Utopia A and B. Schneider is black and steeper than it looks. It's 1.5 k's, but Jaffa will be cutting onto Utopia A after about 800 metres. Hot Dog making a start on Schneider. I know what you're thinking, this ain't steep, these people are gooses. Well, it's black, it's steep, and Hot Dog is about to turn right onto Challenge. Challenge is steep, as this skier is demonstrating.
You alright, bro? You okay? Okay.
Okay, let's get out of here before he tries to take out Hot Dog again. Down there is the end of Challenge.
Of course, I've been training hard for this return trip, watched hours of YouTube vids and bought myself some new gloves, so yeah, no stone unturned.
Jaffa is still hammering it down Schneider. Jaffa is leaving Schneider and getting onto Utopia A now. Nozawa, like most ski fields here, have had bucket loads of snow this season. This run is not groomed, and with all the snow, it is chopped up in a big way. At the end of Challenge is Utopia B. Hot Dog's at the end of it now. It's red, it's only 350 metres, it's steep, and it takes you to the Hokage base. Jaffa is still fighting his way down Utopia A.
Woo! Pretty fucking steep.
Yeah baby, she be steep. Not sure if this is really Utopia or more like Hell's Butthole.
Injuries really take their toll. The mental struggles can really get you down. There were times when it was really hard to get up off the couch. I wasn't injured, just really lazy.
Jaffa is now done with Utopia A and is on to Utopia B. He is sucking in a few deep breaths and trying to get life back into his thighs. Jaffa about to hit the steep section of Utopia B. Jaffa definitely feeling the cool winds up his nostrils now. After the steep section, you have a few hundred meters of flat to the Hokage base. Schneider, Challenge, the two Utopia runs, parts of them are definitely amongst the steepest runs of Nozawa, and they are definitely worth doing. Once you get down to Hokage, you can take its gondola right up to the start of Paradise and do it all again. As usual, thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!